Hello, and welcome to this Grimes County weather forecast video filmed on April 11th, 2026 at 9:09 p.m. This will be the forecast for the week, but the reason I'm not doing it on Sunday is because of an event we have on Sunday, expected to have on Sunday. So let's get started, shall we? I'm Abe Penny, and here we go. Starting today, we had scattered rain showers today, and we had a varying degree of rainfall things. A lot of the areas saw about a tenth of an inch during the day, but of course that's already passed, so we're not going to talk about that too much. The rest of the week, we're expected highs in the early week, highs in the low 80s, and then gradually building throughout the week to 86 on Friday, and lows starting at 67 and gradually building to 70. Now, we have two rain days after today. And that one of them is tomorrow, which is April 12th, Sunday, and that's the severe weather day for this week. And Monday is April 13th, and I don't think that's really a severe weather day. That's just the scattered showers day. But let's look at tomorrow, because that's going to be the most interesting. So, start off with the outlooks. Tomorrow, we have the Storm Prediction Center has placed us under a 1 out of 5 risk for severe weather, and this is expected due to a cold front bringing a line of storms towards the area. Just standard cold front like you would usually see in southern Texas in the spring. And if we look at the potentials here, there is a tornado risk. It's 2%. But severe wet, usually 2%. It's a little bit. The risks go a little bit liberal, so it's probably a little bit higher than 2%. Depending on just the ingredients we have in the atmosphere here, it could be favorable for a few brief, weak tornadoes. So we'll be watching out for that. But I wouldn't be really scared about it, though it is there. And then everything else is kind of just a general outlook. There's a 5% risk of damaging winds, which are wind gusts above 58 miles per hour. I wouldn't be surprised if we had 60 to maybe 70 mile per hour winds here, because this type of storm is known for that. And then for hail, we also just have a 5% hail risk. I wouldn't be surprised if any pea-sized to maybe $half sized hail and maybe some isolated quarter-sized hail could happen across the region. And, okay, that's not what I wanted. Oh, and also, this isn't just severe weather. There is actually a considerable risk for flash flooding here. As you can see, everywhere in the green polygon has about at least 5% chance for rainfall that's heavy enough to cause flash flooding. And then everything in the yellow has at least 15% chance. So there is a decent flash flood chance. And the green includes Conroe, Montgomery, Todd Mission, Fetzer, Hempstead, Woodlands, Belleville, and not really a big portion. But the yellow, which is the more enhanced risk for flash flooding, includes Huntsville, Anderson, Plantersville, Navasota, Blackberry, Richards, Shiro, Beedice, Iola, Carlos, also College Station, Branham, I think I said Navasota, Caldwell, and just generally this whole area over here. So if you encounter flooded roads, turn around, don't drown. If any flash flooding occurs, we will probably go live on the YouTube channel. So, if any severe weather occurs at all, we will go live. So make sure to stay tuned to the YouTube channel for any live streams we may do tomorrow. Now, let's look at rain timing. I don't want that. There we go. Okay. Ignore that. So, here we go. This is 1 a.m., 4 a.m., 7 a.m. Looks like it starts getting closer around 10. And honestly, I can't really tell when the exact time is going to be, since it looks like it's going to be a messy line of storms. And then that's April 13th. Okay. Let me try this one. Yeah, okay, it looks like it's going to be sort of a messy line of storms. So, honestly, I can't give a super accurate time on when rainfall will arrive in Grimes County, but I will make an additional post probably tomorrow morning. But But I can give you that it will probably happen at noon or just after noon, like in the afternoon. So that's all. That's pretty much all I can give. And then we'll look at go back. We'll look at at Monday, and I think the reason Monday has a rain chance is it's because of the kind of the straggler showers that got left behind by the Sunday storms. Because I'm not really seeing. Okay, well here we go. So if there was any rainfall in Grimes County, it would probably be around 1 p.m. to noon to 3 p.m. Somewhere around that time frame. I don't know why. Usually line of storms are easy. Usually line of storms are easy to predict when they'll arrive because they're being moved on a cold front. But this one's just kind of deformed, I guess. So yeah, I don't have a great time frame to give you, but that's all I have. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Stay weather aware because we might have to go do a live stream tomorrow if there's a severe thunderstorm warning, maybe a flash flood warning. And thank you. Goodbye.